Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing both accounts. Sign into the Google account that holds the calendar and open Slack where you can install apps. Once done, search the Slack app directory for Google Calendar and choose Add to Workspace. You authorize the app to access Slack. This step is required so Slack can post events and send reminders. Make sure you're using the account you want synced, because the linked Google account determines which calendars appear in Slack. Now you grant Google Calendar the specific permissions Slack requests. This allows Slack to read events and post notifications. After authorization, you'll see a calendar selection screen. Pick the primary calendar and any shared calendars you want in Slack. Next, configure how notifications appear. Choose direct message alerts for personal reminders or a channel for team events. Be deliberate about time offsets and notification windows. Finish by testing. Create a short test event and watch Slack for the notification. If you see it, you're synced. If not, go back and review which calendar was selected and the notification channel. Once verified, fine-tune. Mute calendars that are noisy, change reminder lead times, or enable daily agenda messages. If things go wrong, reauthorize the Google connection and ensure the calendar is shared with your account. Permission issues are the most common cause of missing events.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.